Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me, what happens at a stand your ground hearing? If you were arrested but you reasonably believe that you were acting in self-defense or in defense of others or of property, then your lawyer can make a motion to the court seeking statutory immunity for you pursuant to Florida Statute 776.032 subparagraph 1. The motion needs to set forth facts alleging that you properly stood your ground and that you used force which is deemed to be reasonable under the circumstances. A stand your ground hearing is essentially a trial before the judge and without a jury. If you win, your case is over. And if you lose nothing, because you can still use stand your ground defense at trial in front of a jury. But you're now going to be armed with sworn testimony from your stand your ground hearing. And in this light, a loss is almost like a rehearsal because there's no prejudice to you, and it's only going to serve to prepare your defense team for trial. At the hearing, both sides are going to call witnesses and present evidence to the judge. Witnesses will be eyewitnesses, people with first-hand knowledge of the event, or people who have something relevant to offer as testimonial evidence. Physical evidence may or may not be introduced by either side, but a prepared defense team is going to attempt to show, one way or another, that you acted reasonably by using whatever may exist or whatever may be responsibly recreated in your case. For example, sometimes we can have an investigator recreate the conditions as they existed just before your arrest. At the close of the evidence, the court is going to make a ruling and determine whether or not your actions were lawful under Florida's stand your ground law. If the court finds that the state failed to prove your actions were not reasonable, then the court will grant you immunity, and you will not be able to be prosecuted because the state will effectively be told that their case is dead. Your actions were lawful, and you did not commit a crime. I thank you for your question. I appreciate your having asked it, and I invite you to ask me more. Please remember at Michael A. HaberPA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, please subscribe. We'll be putting out more soon.